Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. As the market continues to take a tumble, we're going to be taking a look at three potential altcoins to buy right now on the dip. So if we could take a look here at the crypto bubbles, we're seeing a lot of red. So in the past 7 days, the markets have once again started to, take a downturn, and we're seeing a lot of red. Ever since pretty much the Super Bowl hype ended, everything started to take a downward spiral, and we're seeing a lot more red compared to the, green. So we're only seeing a few coins here that are green, like this one right here, Tornado Cash, up about 54%, and a few other ones like Venus here, and many little ones right here that we're seeing. But we're seeing a lot more red, guys. So we're seeing a huge amount of these bubbles are red. Probably more than 85% of these are going to be in the red. If we actually take a look at the market is down about 4.3% here just in the past 24 hours. Bitcoin is down 5.5%. It went under 40,000 finally. Ethereum is at around 2,800 now, down about 6%. Volume is at 26.2 billion for Bitcoin, 14.1 billion on Ethereum, so a little bit higher than usual. We see altcoins are tumbling down even more. So obviously, if the large cap coins are down 5%, the small cap and mid cap are going to be down 5, 10, 15% or so. As we see, everything is down about 5% or so, with some outliers here: 8% on Avalanche, 8% on Luna. Shiba Inu is down over 7%. Polygon's down 7%. And we're seeing even here, Decentraland is down almost 9% here, once again under that $3 range as it continues to go lower and lower. But obviously, this always brings us opportunities to buy the dip and gives us opportunities for the future. So if you're a long-term investor and you believe that this coin is going to do good in the future, this is an opportunity for you to load up right now while you can at a cheaper price, maybe even dollar cost average on your coins that you own, or even in the stock market. Dollar cost average is one of the biggest things that you can do. To bring your price lower. I've had an example like that in myself, obviously, in the stock market. So definitely an opportunity right there to be made. And if this type of content interests you guys, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And let's get into it. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be Fantom. So FTM. This one, in the past 24 hours, it's down about 5% almost, trading at $1.88. In the past week, we're down about 13%. On the 1 month chart, we're down about 32%. But on the 1 year chart, we're up over 789%. So this coin was trading at around 21 cents last February, hit a peak here in May when, pretty much all cryptocurrencies hit a peak, and it was around 92 cents, almost at a dollar range. Pulled back down with the market to lows down here of about 16 cents. And this just gives you an opportunity right there. Exactly. It went from 90 cents to 16 cents. That is a huge drop right there. But the people that were buying here on the dip at 20 cents, 30 cents even, they were the ones that were making out, because it went from that, 15 cents low right there in July all the way up here to highs of over $3, which is just insane. That's over, over 1,000% gain, which is, humongous in the market just in a matter of a few months. So big uptrend right there. Pulled back down to about $1.40, and then once again, the people that bought the dip are the ones who made out, because it went back up to over $3.30, which made you over 150% gain again. And now we're seeing another pullback. So there's always opportunities. You just have to go out there and take them. Obviously, right now the market cap on this one is going to be at 4.8 billion. Volume is down about 16% at 630 million, and then obviously, like we said, all-time high at 348, and the circulating supply at around 2.5 billion coins, 80% of the total supply. So dip buying opportunities can always be opportunities for growth for the future. If you believe in the price action, you believe that the coin is going to be, coming back up in the future. If all cryptocurrencies are going down at the same time due to some type of news or something, and it's not something that's actually because of cryptocurrencies, that's when you find a dip buying opportunity. Same with the stock market. If stocks are going down, if the whole market is going down, obviously everything is going to go down. So if it's just not your company that you own, let's say example, you own Walmart. If Walmart is the only company that is going down, obviously something is wrong with Walmart. Now, if the whole market is coming back down, it's because of some other reason, not because of your company. So your company is still the same company it was a few days ago, a few months ago, a few years ago. It's still growing. If you still have that same outlook and same, conviction, I guess you could say, for the future, it's always an opportunity. So that's how I think of it, guys. So that's going to be our first altcoin. Second altcoin on the list is going to be crypto.com, which is also known as Crow. This one is down about 4% here in the past 24 hours, trading at 44 cents. Past week, we're down 15%. Past month, we're actually flat. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up over 263%. This one was trading at around 12 cents here last February. Hit highs at around 25 cents. Pulled back down with the market to about 8 cents, which is over a 65% drop. At 8 cents there, it started to go up. But here, the real action happened here in October, pretty much when the whole metaverse stuff started happening. First, it went from 15 cents to about 19 cents. And then here, end of October into November, we went from 19 cents all the way to highs of about almost $1. I believe 99 cents was the all-time high. Now, from that area, we did drop over 60% or so, and now we're making a little bit of recovery. We might see a pullback, but I think that right now the cryptocurrency market is going to be having kind of like a bouncing trend. We're going to see that kangaroo trend that we saw, a few years ago. I believe in 2020 we saw that kangaroo trend where things go up, things go back down, things go back up. We're seeing a lot of this in the patterns. If you guys actually take a look at the Tesla charts, Tesla is doing that exact move. It's going from that 800 range to about the 920 range, and it just keeps going back and forth between those ranges. So obviously for any day traders, they're doing very well right now if they're getting in and out. Right now, market cap 11.2 billion here on Crow. We have volume up 59% at 187.6 million. We have a 52-day typical hold time, 68% buy activity, 32% sell activity. It is ranked the number 13 coin on the list. Crypto.com chain is an Ethereum token that powers Crypto.com Pay, a service that aims to allow users to pay for goods and services with cryptocurrency while receiving cashback rewards, obviously. So this coin, they bought the naming rights to the arena, so that's a huge thing as well. I believe it was very expensive, over $500 million it cost them. I think it was actually around $700 million. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below, but that is a huge thing for them, obviously, to continue to grow in the future as cryptocurrency continues to expand in the next years to come. So definitely an interesting one to add to your list as well. And then last but not least, it's going to be Solana, SOL. So obviously we love Solana and the things they do. Obviously with the Solana network, Solana art here, you guys can do different things with the NFT market. So Solana, just like we have OpenSeas for Ethereum, Solana is the next one that is doing very well. It's pretty much the rank number 2 with the things that they have. So they have a lot of things you can trade here, NFTs, and they're just starting. If we can get OpenSea to start accepting Solana, the Solana network, it's going to be a huge thing for obviously Solana, and I believe that Solana will continue to grow as well as their NFTs as well, because more people are going to be able to trade it and are a little bit cheaper compared to some of these other ones that we're looking at on the Ethereum network. So definitely interesting in my opinion. Solana is at $91 right now. It's down about 5%. Past week we're down 15%. Past month we're down 33%. And then on the 1-year chart we're up over 968%. So this was trading at around $11 in February last year. Went to highs of 55, pulled back down to about 24, and then we saw it hit highs up here of over $260 in the beginning of November, and that's pretty much when everything peaked. We saw a tumble here from 260 all the way down to about 90, which is pretty much where we're at right now. We keep bouncing back between this range in the past month or so. So like I said, we're bouncing back and forth. We're seeing lows and highs. Now, what we don't want to see is to get the lows to be lower. So we want the lows to be lower, higher lows and lower highs. That's what we want. So right now, 29.3 billion market cap, 1.7 billion in volume, which is pretty much down about 6%. We have 46-day typical hold time, 77% buy activity, 23% sell activity. It is ranked the number 6 coin. If we take a look down here, Solana is a decentralized computing platform that uses SOL to pay for transactions. Solana aims to improve blockchain scalability by using a combination of proof-of-stake consensus and so-called proof of history. As a result, Solana claims to be able to support over 50,000 transactions per second without having to sacrifice decentralization. Now, obviously, the big thing with Solana is the NFT market and how the speeds are faster and gas prices are a lot lower compared to Ethereum. So obviously the gas prices on Ethereum are out of this world. You're paying a lot just for each trade that you're making. Meanwhile, with Solana, it's just fractions pretty much of your trade. So Solana is the better alternative in my opinion because of the gas fees, and we definitely hate gas fees, right? And the more people that are getting into the Ethereum network, the higher those gas fees are going to be as more congestion is happening. So that's why I've personally switched to the Solana network, and I'm very into them as well. So that's going to be our third coin. Now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market, guys. First of all, Dogecoin trading at around 14 cents, still at that range that's pretty much been for a while. Bitcoin here down about 5.5% in the past 24 hours. It's trading at right under 40,000. In the past week, we're down 8%. Past month, we're down 4%. And we might be going back down to under 37,000 again. Now, in the 1-year chart, we're down about 22%. We see 753.8 billion market cap, 33% of crypto market space, 26.3 billion in volume, and then 99-day typical hold time, 77% buy, and 23% sell activity on Bitcoin. Ethereum is down about 6%, so a little bit more. And then on the 1 week chart, we're down 9%. 1 month chart, 9.5%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up 44%. So Ethereum still outperforming Bitcoin, obviously, trading at 2,800. We see market cap 336.2 billion. 15% of the crypto market space volume is down about 7% at 14 billion. Typical hold time 76 days, 68% buy activity, 32% sell activity on Ethereum. We believe that right now, Ethereum and Bitcoin are having this pullback, which is pulling back the rest of the market. But obviously, this could be an opportunity to buy the dip, or maybe dollar cost average, like I said in the beginning of the video, for the future to come. If you believe in the cryptocurrency space, that it will continue to grow in the next 5, 10, or 15 years, as everybody pretty much does, as this is just the beginning stages. So you guys let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about the cryptocurrency space right now? What do you think about the market overall? As always, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. I am not a financial advisor, so this is not financial advice. If you guys want to speak to your financial advisor before investing, make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoy this type of content, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.